Okay, let us start with our lesson on Computer System Servicing NC2 or CSS NC2, that is Computer Networks or Networks. So, what is a computer network? Ano ba yung computer network? Ang sabi, computer networks are collection of autonomous computers interconnected by a single technology is called computer network. So, yung computer network daw, ito daw yung autonomous interconnection ng mga computer. Autonomous, ibig sabihin, isa lang. Okay? Marami. Okay? So, maraming computers na nagsama-sama sa isang network. There are interconnected computer networks, whether malapit or malayo. No? Konektado sila sa bawat isa. And then another one, the computers are said to be interconnected if they are able to exchange information. So, masasabi daw na interconnected yung two or more computers kung sila, itong mga computer na to, ay nakapagpapalitan ng information, whether it's text, whether it's images, or video, or audios. Okay? And also, connection can be through a copper wire, yung DSL connection, copper wire, fiber optics, fiber, microwaves, pwedeng through cable, infrared or satellite, o pwede rin satellite. So, ito yung mga medium para magkaroon ng interconnection to mga computers ito. Either DSL, fiber, satellite, cable, okay. So, yun. Nakalagay po rito yung copper wire, fiber optics, microwaves, then satellite. So again, computer networks are just interconnected computers to one another that exchanges information, connected either copper wire, fiber optics, microwaves, or satellite or infrared. Okay. So we have here categories of computer networks. So what are the categories of computer networks? First, we have LAN, first type or first category ng computer network. LAN stands for Local Area Network. Okay. Next, we have MAN, which stands for Metropolitan Area Network. And then lastly, we have WAN, which means Wide Area Network. So these are the three categories of network: LAN, MAN, and WAN. Okay. Then, what are the difference between LAN, WAN, and MAN, or LAN, MAN, and WAN? So, what are the differences between these computer network categories? So, we have the basis, okay, and then LAN, MAN, and WAN. So, first basis, we have full form. So, what are the full form of LAN, MAN, and WAN? For LAN, local area network, full form for LAN. And then MAN, we have Metropolitan Area Network. In LAN, we have Wide Area Network. Next basis, we have range. So what is the range for LAN? So for LAN, we have communication network linking a number of stations in same local area. Range is 1 to 10 kilometers. So the range for a LAN or local area network is from 1 kilometer up to 10 kilometers. Okay, 10 kilometers. Imagine natin that is from one street perhaps to another street or half street, or from one house to 4 houses or 5 houses, maybe 4 houses to be uh, just say estimate. Okay, so 1 to 10 kilometers, that is the range. And then we have the MAN or Metropolitan Area Network range. This network shares the characteristics of packet broadcasting networks. Range is 100 kilometers. Okay, so this is a much wider compared to local area network. Much wider in range, much wider in scope. So maybe if LAN, let us say LAN, that is a half street or one building to be some one room. Okay, MAN is from one one subdivision to another, one one area, wide area or greater area from another greater area. Okay, so one sitio to another one subdivision. Okay, from location A to location, let us say H. Okay, so that is the range of MAN or Metropolitan Area Network. Okay, 100 up to 100 kilometers. And range for one or wide area network, a communication network distinguished from a local area network. So range is beyond 100 kilometers. So this is not only for one subdivision. This might be, let us say, from one town or one province to another town or to another province. So wide area network. So again, range for LAN 1 to 10 kilometers. Range for metropolitan area network 100 kilometers, and 1 is beyond 100 kilometers. Okay, next basis we have media use. Okay, for LAN, uses guided media. Okay, MAN uses guided as well as unguided media. And then 1 uses unguided media. Okay, so again, LAN uses guided media. MAN uses guided as well as unguided media. 1 uses unguided media. Okay, so next basis we have speed. Okay, for speed, LAN has a high speed of 100 kilobytes per second up to 100 megabytes per second. So that is the maximum for LAN, 100 Mbps. Okay, so in our home, I uses 10 Mbps. Maybe if I upgraded, that will be 25 Mbps. Then on MAN, we optimize for large geographical area than LAN. Perhaps this is commonly used for, let us say, from one depot to another depot. Meaning to say depot from one warehouse to another warehouse. Okay, and then long distance communications, which may or may not be provided by public packet networks. So this is greater than 100 Mbps. Okay, but we have LAN 100 kbps to 100 Mbps. Next to speed, how about the costing? LAN is of course cheaper because of its short range, 1 to 10 kilometers. The MAN is a little bit costly because it has a longer range from 1 to 100 kilometers, and of course wide area network is very expensive because it ranges from beyond 100 kilometers. So there will be more cables to be used compared to LAN. LAN will be cheaper because there will be lesser cables to be used. Okay, next we have equipment needed. Speaking of equipment, speaking of cables, LAN needed what? A network interface card or LAN card, okay, a switch, and a hub for it to work. Switch is the modern version of a hub. Switch capacity is 1 to 100 Mbps, while a hub is 1 to 10 Mbps. So we need a LAN card in short and a switch, or a LAN card or an NIC, and then a hub. Okay. Then MAN, okay, we needed a modem and a router for MAN, okay, or Metropolitan Area Network. And for one, we need microwave, radio, infrared, laser. And microwave, usually this is used for satellite connections. Okay. radio and infrared laser. Very costly, very expensive for one. And last basis, we have protocols. LAN uses Attached Resource Connector Network or ARCnet, or the much lesser known token ring. Okay, we know uh, LAN uses the most famous Ethernet system. Okay, which is attached to ARCnet. Okay, you can also use token ring. And next, on MAN, we have frame relay and asynchronous transfer mode or ATM. And for one, we have ATM, FDDI, and SMDS. So we have six bases for comparing LAN, MAN, and WAN. And those are full form. Okay. So we have full form. And then we have range. And then we have media use. And then speed. And then cost. Equipment. We have seven. Okay. Seven pala, no? And then we have protocols. Okay, those are the bases. Kumbaga, yung pagkukumparahan for LAN, MAN, and WAN. Full form, sorry. Yeah, full form, kasama, range, media use, speed, cost, bali pito, no? Equipment needed, and then protocols. Okay. So, I think that's it for now for our lesson. Uh, See you for the next video.